Christmas market. So today is my first Christmas market of the year. There's a power outage right now on this whole side. That's the box for letters going to Santa. Bonjour. Ça serait pour une galette saucisse, s'il vous plaît. Galette saucisse. Very good. Wow, that was small. So I'm glad that I went there to see how it was, but I'm slightly disappointed. It was small. Half of the things were like food and the rest was like presents or food that you could buy but to eat at home. For the food stands, it was really nice, but it was really overpriced. Like I had a galette saucisse for €5, which was one of the cheapest thing. You can find it in a lot of events here in Rennes, and usually it's like €2, sometimes €3. The other things were just too pricey. And for the stands where you could buy gifts, those sort of Christmas markets, in my mind, they are more like where you can buy like local things like homemade or, you know, typical of the area. And like most of them were like industrial things. So yeah, that's my conclusion. I'm happy that I saw it, but it was a bit small and a bit disappointing and overpriced. The food looked great though, really fantastic, but just too pricey for me. Is it not focusing on me? Why is it not focusing on me? Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Goodbye.